was pretty much all on fire. The noises that I can remember hearing were like explosions.
Pop, pop, pop. The entire ridge was on fire, and it was just coming up and over.
We just went from subdivision to subdivision, fire after fire, and tried to get ahead of it.
The houses were burning at the back, and the guys were still trying to fight it on the front.
But it seemed like it was jumping houses and 300-foot flames, the heavy smoke, the fire, the heat.
The fire was in the city, and there was no stopping it. We may have to leave our safe sanctuary of the brick building, and my B plan was to jump in the river.
As you can see, our street was just devastated, as the whole community was. Research doesn't know how much effects a fire like that would have.
Pure North is here setting up a clinic for the people of Fort McMurray.
We're just getting everything set up.
These people have been through hell. They've been uprooted from their homes, they've been evacuated.
Lots of stress, lots of smoke exposure.
I knew I definitely was inhaling different byproducts and like to the point where you can taste different things. So definitely was concerned about my health post-fire, and even down the road, Pure North came in and like offered blood work and urine analysis for heavy metals, and then offered the supplement program to all first responders.
We're testing for toxicity because of the toxins that are in the environment. We're testing for any inflammation markers or anything that we see that they need.
You know what, it's not probably the best environment to be in, so I figured, well, maybe go check and just see if there's anything like toxicities.
Yep, there's treatments we have to pull those metals out. So let me walk you over here.
Some stress involved and get things back on track.
This is most definitely the most intense situation I've ever lived through. Physically, it was taxing. My body started to show signs of shock.
We're here to help them feel better and strengthen them, you know, their immune system and their lifestyle going forward. There's a 21-day supply. We put everything that we can into this multi.
They just loaded up this gigantic goodie bag and passed it on over, and it was absolutely free. I was absolutely blown away.
It's a good service, and they're always calling me for updates and times to come in for blood work and stuff. They're very involved still. They send me emails and call me all the time, so.
It's nice that someone's seeing how we're doing and helping us through. We'll make it happen. Thank you. Have a great one.
They're happier, they're healthier, they feel like they have less stress in their life, less anxiety. They're very courageous, and it just makes me very emotional to see it. It's empowering them to like make them feel good even after a traumatic experience.
And it's paying off. I feel really good. I feel strong. I feel recovered.